So this is ZNA this is ZNA unboxing review, and today I got this. It's Thursday. I went to school and have summertime. Get my summer on. The unboxer. And in here they share a Coke. And I believe
they said they would contact me.
These are incredibly
that was a bottle.
They lurk in the deep web, in a world you can't even begin to imagine. They've already killed one man. You have started something you
Okay.
can't undo.
It said, "We hope you enjoy your bottles. If you explain a problem with your order, please call 1-800-557-4616, and we will be happy to. Don't forget, this is www.sharecoke.com to continue sharing. Thanks. I think I'm gonna keep this box.
Unsavory characters like our dead thief.
Okay,
run out their
I'm gonna throw
botnets
these
and
things
spam
in the
emails,
trash.
perform DDoS attacks, mass identity theft, all that good illegal stuff.
Can you tell FRC connected to the botnet before
And
the gunners broke down that motel room door?
jeez, this is hard to do this.
What is it, Curtis?
Okay,
He sent 2 separate messages to 2 separate computers.
so
on the botnet.
it said Zach right here,
Like a big
and
car, right?
I'm not gonna
He
drink
dies
it.
down and he can recover and get away.
Are you saying 2 random
Look,
computers?
I'm not gonna really drink it. I'm gonna post this on Facebook.
That's not the bad part.
You know what? I need a Coke. Oh, not you. I'm gonna just get. I'll be right back.
That means they know which 2 people are the pass keys.
They have the digital treasure map.
So 2 innocent people have no idea what's coming in.
Got this and
And we
show
have no way of
eventually.
warning them.
Share Coke with Zach. I'm gonna keep that in my room, and then I'm gonna keep this box. And I'm gonna put up a sign say, "Do not touch it, do not open it, and do not drink it. If you drink it, this is belong to the trash." I'm gonna keep this forever until it breaks and we blah 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 blah. Who cares? Oh, see you next time. Bye.